Today, we're diving into a camera that's compact, stylish, and still relevant for photography enthusiasts who love the beauty of mirrorless designs, the Olympus E-PM1. Released over a decade ago, this camera continues to capture the interest of photographers seeking quality in a portable form. If you're curious about what this little powerhouse can offer, stay tuned. Let's explore every detail, from its design and features to its performance. First things first, let's talk design. The E-PM1, often referred to as the mini pen, lives up to its name with its ultra-compact and lightweight body. Weighing just about 265 grams, it's perfect for those who need something portable without sacrificing too much on quality. The metallic finish and clean lines give it a modern aesthetic, and though it's small, the ergonomics are well thought out. Despite its small size, the E-PM1 boasts an impressive 12.3 megapixel micro Four Thirds sensor. Now, that may not sound like a lot compared to today's cameras, but don't be fooled. This sensor, paired with Olympus's TruePic 6 image processor, delivers sharp, vibrant images with excellent color reproduction. It shines in good lighting conditions, producing images with impressive detail, but how does it handle in low light? While it might struggle a bit in very dim settings due to its smaller sensor size, thanks to its ISO range up to 12,800, you can still capture decent shots at night or indoors with minimal noise if you're mindful of your settings. One thing that makes the Olympus E-PM1 stand out is its autofocus system. Unlike many cameras of its time, this little mirrorless model features a fast contrast detection autofocus system. Another great feature is its burst shooting mode, capable of 5.5 frames per second. For a camera this small, that's impressive. Of course, for those interested in videography, the E-PM1 also offers full HD video recording. While it doesn't have all the advanced video features of today's cameras, it's still more than capable of recording smooth 1080p footage. Let's not forget about the lens compatibility. Being part of the micro Four Thirds system, the E-PM1 can use a wide variety of lenses, from wide-angle and portrait lenses to telephoto. The E-PM1 comes with several art filters. These can add a unique touch to your photos without the need for post-processing. From dramatic tones to vintage effects, these filters are fun to play around with, giving you instant results. For its age and size, the E-PM1 continues to hold its own in the world of mirrorless photography. Thank you for joining this deep dive into the Olympus E-PM1. If you've enjoyed this review or have any questions about the camera, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on more camera reviews and photography tips. See you in the next one.